far greater. This also emphasizes the importance of a genuine self-God in those who profess faith but don't truly live it, using them as example for others. It points out the hypocrisy of some with religious communities who outwardly appear devout but harbor inner sin and inconstancy. These conclude potential consequences of prioritizing worldly gains over spiritual values, using readers to maintain a distinct separation from world corrupting influences. Even if we, by our own choice, put ourselves in a worldly and unholy environment, aggrieves God's heart. Those who prioritize worldly wealth and possessions will experience a great loss. This is because the true reward God promised His people are not found in this world. The ultimately prize is a greater anything this world's over. Alpha Omega Volume 1, page 191. May God bless you. Amen.